Hey everybody, we're going to take a look at the S&P 500. This is Taylor, again, from the tradinganalyst.com, and we're going to take a look at the market here, starting off with the S&P 500. I'm going to go over exactly what I'm seeing here in the market to give you guys a good idea of what's going on, what I'm expecting, and why I'm expecting that. But first, if you're not already a member at the tradinganalyst.com, what I want you to do is visit us on the homepage of the website, and you can get to know us better by seeing what we're all about, seeing what the membership is like, because once you do that, you're going to get to know us, and you're going to see why all of our current members are giving us these testimonials and writing these good reviews about us. It's just a really great opportunity for you to join the membership and start making winning trades, because when you sign up, you get instant access to the profitable trading alerts that our current members are getting and loving on a daily and weekly basis. It's just a great opportunity for you. If you want to learn and grow and get better as a trader, then this is the opportunity for you. So go ahead and take advantage of that. Visit the website at the end of this video. If you like the video, you're going to love the membership. So we're going to take a look at the market here. First, let's kind of back it up from a longer term perspective, okay? Kind of getting this wide angle view here. It really puts things in perspective. So clearly we're in a huge uptrend here. You can see we've been going up for several years now, and a really nice uptrend. Okay, so what happened back here in February, in late January, early February, really shouldn't come as a surprise. It was a much needed rest for the market. I mean, this is just kind of ridiculous action, just going, I mean, we really went straight up. So when you do that, you don't really create any kind of support for any kind of drop. So that's why we fell even harder than we went up, because, you know, when you don't trade sideways, because sideways trading is what creates support on the way down. So we have some, you know, support down here. We have support right here. This is the first area where we really traded sideways, and that's why we bounced from this level. Okay, so that's kind of touching on the longer term picture here. Now, touching on the more recent action and what I think is going to happen and why I think what I think. And what I want to first point out is I think this is a massive bull flag. Okay, sideways trading, you know, trading within this triangle, bull flag, whatever you want to call it, doesn't matter. You know that if you've watched these videos, you know that I'm not big on patterns here, technical patterns. I do, obviously I brought up bull flag, triangle, but as far as the, you know, strict rules that surround each pattern, I don't follow those. So what you're looking at here is in my opinion a big bull flag, which is if you don't know, a continuation pattern here. So we have been very bullish for about 3 years now, and this is just a rest, and this bull flag means we're going to continue out of it. Okay, breaking to the downside out of this flat bottom resistance, to me, is just too obvious, and normally it doesn't work that way. Very low odds that it happens that way. You know, the last time we kind of did that was, if you look right here, and this is a different pattern here. This is kind of by the elections. This is when Trump got elected, right around here. Not that that matters or has anything to do with it. I'm just referencing when this was. So if you look here, there was that flat bottom support, and then we broke that right here, and you can see, boom, we just broke right back above it and then catapulted higher. So that's kind of what, you know, happens when you break flat bottom support. Is it typically normally doesn't happen often. It's just too obvious. It doesn't really work that way. But secondly is when it does happen, oftentimes turns into a false breakdown like we saw during the election period after Trump became president. So touching back on the recent action here is we've got a low here, a higher low, and then a higher low right here. So we're making higher lows, and this low that we made right here just last week, in my opinion, this could be the low that we needed to make before breaking out higher. So what I see is some sideways trading, pinning back and forth between this resistance up here and this support down here, building up energy, and then eventually breaking higher out of that. We've kind of been trading sideways here. Obviously we made a little up move right here, but mostly it's just sideways trading. I mean, this is just ridiculous right here, trading back and forth for about a week and a half, almost 2 weeks. And then right here we break out a little bit, and then mostly just some sideways trading here. Very, very choppy action has been what we've experienced in the market. And eventually this chop is going to discontinue, and we're going to trend again. We're going to trend again like this. That's a trend. All right, this is a trend, trending up, trend. It can trend up, it can trend down. But that's kind of what we're looking at, we're expecting here personally, and at the trading analyst, I'm expecting it to break out. I'm making this decision, or I'm making this analysis also based off of, the thousands of other individual charts that I look at. I don't just look at this S&P 500 chart and say, okay, we're heading higher. I look at my watch list consists of about 900 charts that I look at every single day, and I have a really good feel for the market by doing that. And when you do that, you not only get a really good feel for the market, you get a really good feel for the stocks that impact the market. So I'll kind of get off of my quit talking your ear off, but that's what I think about the market. I think it's going to head higher. I think it's going to pinball back and forth between this area, which would be ideal because it would be building up that energy for that move higher. And a first target for me would be up here near these previous highs. You can see we got rejected at on the S&P 500. It's about 2,800 or so to give it a nice round number. So thank you for stopping by. I really hope that you learned a lot from watching this video. So if you like this video, which I'm assuming you did because you're here watching until the end, then you're really going to like what you get inside of the membership, the premium membership community. And I want to kind of mention something really quick too, is we're actually raising the prices on the membership. We've seen a big influx of members lately. We want to raise the price so we can get the best kind of community that we can by limiting the options of some people. But right now the price is still low, and I wanted to tell you that. So if you're interested in the membership, now is the time to do that. And again, once you do so, you're getting instant access to the profitable trading alerts that our current members are getting on a daily basis. And these are delivered in real time directly to your cell phone so that you can trade from anywhere. Okay, they're delivered via text message, both the buy and sell alerts, so you're never going to miss a beat in the market again. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the membership.